In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add UPI payment on Wix. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll have your UPI payment method set up seamlessly on your Wix site. This is incredibly beneficial if you're planning to cater to customers who prefer using UPI for quick and secure transactions. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the settings menu. You'll find this option generally on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on settings and subsequently look for the accept payments option. This section is key, as it will guide you through integrating different payment methods into your site. Next, in order to broaden your payment options, click on See More Payment Options. This will present you with a list of available payment gateways that are compatible with Wix. It's important that you choose a provider that supports UPI and is available in your country. If you're based in India, for instance, AirPay or Paytm for Business might be viable options to consider due to their extensive UPI support. Now that you've decided on a UPI supporting gateway, the next thing you'll want to do is connect that gateway to your Wix site. To do this, find your chosen payment provider on the list and simply click the connect button next to it. This action will initiate the connection process between your Wix site and the payment gateway. Once you've clicked connect, you'll be prompted to enter some specific information, which typically includes your provider's API key and profile ID. It's essential to have this information handy before you begin the setup to streamline the process. You can usually find these details in your account section of the payment provider's website or by contacting their support team if you encounter any difficulties. Entering this information accurately will establish the necessary link, allowing transactions to flow smoothly and securely. There you have it. With these steps, you've set up a UPI payment method on your Wix site, providing your customers with a straightforward and effective way to make payments. Offering multiple payment options, especially ones as widely used as UPI, can significantly enhance user experience and broaden your market reach. Remember to thoroughly test your payment setup before going live to ensure everything works flawlessly and your customers have a seamless shopping experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Thanks for watching and happy selling.